Hello viewers, and welcome back to Bring It On channel. Today's project is all about creating a unique and personalized wall hanging to spruce up any space. Whether it's your hallway, living room, or even a bedroom, this DIY project is a fun and affordable way to add a touch of your style. Choosing your design is more important. I've chosen the wall hanging in the hallway. Materials I've used from the IKEA wood color wall hanging. Measure the width and height of the wall and according to that arrange the wall hangings to look better. Use the DIY tools for drilling and measuring in the walls. Place some decorative items like live plants, flowers, toys on the wall hangings. I hope this video inspired you to create your own unique wall hanging. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more fun DIY projects. Let me know in the comments below what kind of wall hanging you'd create, and share pictures of your creations if you try it out.